So there's the storm system right there. It is a category, well, it has actually gotten a little bit stronger. So this is now the 2 o'clock update. As of the 2 p.m. update is now up to 155 miles per hour. So it has gotten just a tiny bit stronger. It was 150 miles per hour. The strength of it this morning, now it's up to 155 miles per hour. Ahead of it, there's a lot of warm water, very little shear. So we're not expecting it to weaken unless it does interact with some land. Otherwise, there's nothing ahead of this to weaken the storm system. Now, it is moving towards the west at 14 miles per hour. It was going west-northwesterly, but in the last couple of frames, notice that jog. It was going in this direction, and now it's heading in that direction. So now it's moving westerly at 14 miles per hour. Pressure is at about 925. So there it is right there, just north of Cuba. As we head towards Saturday morning, notice the National Hurricane Center brings it very close to Cuba. So again, very close to Cuba by Saturday morning. Hopefully by the 5 p.m. update, it'll actually interact with Cuba. So something we'll find out over the next 3 hours. At this point in time, Saturday morning, that's when we start to see tropical storm force winds. We're about 250 miles or so away from the storm system. So that's when we start to see winds of 39 miles per hour or stronger. Then as we head towards Sunday morning, there it is, a very powerful Category 4 hurricane. Winds of about 145 miles per hour. This may get tinkered with as we get towards 5 p.m. because now the storm is producing winds of 155 miles per hour. But nonetheless, according to the official track, it is going to make landfall right around Monroe County into southeastern Florida as a Category 4 hurricane. Winds of 145 miles per hour. This will be a very quick moving storm system. 24 hours later, early Monday morning, it's sitting on top of northern Florida. And look at that, winds of 75 miles per hour. So it's barely a hurricane at this point by Monday morning. For us on Monday, we'll continue to see at least the chance of some tropical storm force winds. So Sunday is the day where we will have those peak wind gusts of hurricane force winds or maybe winds in excess of 110 miles per hour as it makes its way very close to the western side of Lake Okeechobee. Now, a lot of folks from South Florida have gone up to Orlando and to the Tampa area, and by the time it's in this general area, it should be around a Category 2 hurricane with winds of 100 miles per hour. Definitely better than winds of 145 and 50 miles per hour. Then it shoots up towards Atlanta and into the Tennessee and Kentucky valleys over in this area, and it continues to die down. At this point in time, it's not even a tropical storm anymore. It's just a plain old wave of lower pressure, but it is going to produce some locally heavy rain. For them, and for us too, we're going to see anywhere from about 6 to 12 inches of rain, maybe more. So we'll talk about that in just a second. But here's the current computer models. You can see the turn right there. There's the official track right there. Notice a few computer models are taking it along the East Coast. A few computer models are taking it along the West Coast. But the two main models, the European model, the American model, are bringing up right up the center of the state of Florida. And that's why the National Hurricane Center is following this track. So around 2:30 or 3, we're going to get a new model run from the European, and we'll see if it shifts. If it shifts towards the west, shifts towards the east, or stays the same. So we will have an update at 5 p.m. Then eventually it shoots on up into the southeast where it just dies down. So here are the impacts. Wind, extreme wind. That means winds in excess of 110 miles per hour. So very strong winds, especially as we head into Sunday. Storm surge will be high. As the storm makes landfall, it's really going to turn up the seas, and we could have a pretty good storm surge. The worst will be into Monroe County. That's where they could have a storm surge of about 10 to 15 feet. Otherwise, from the Palm Beaches all the way down to southern Florida, it's about 5 to 10 feet, a little bit less for the Treasure Coast. And again, Monroe County right now with this track definitely has the highest storm surge potential. Tornado, they will be elevated. Very common when you have hurricanes that the outer feeder bands, the thunderstorms within them, start to spin on up, and you get tornadoes. They're usually weak tornadoes around F0, but nonetheless, that is something that will also create a little bit of damage. And rain. Rain, we have a moderate flood risk. That means we could see anywhere from 6 to 12 inches of rain with this storm system, maybe up to 20 inches in some spots. It's not going to be like Harvey. Harvey was on top of Texas for days. It rained for days. For us, this is going to be such a fast storm system, but a strong storm system. So it comes in Sunday morning. By Monday morning, it's already shooting away up into northern Florida. So here's the potential for storm surge. Again, the Treasure Coast, anywhere from 3 to 6 feet. For the Palm Beaches and areas south, about 5 to 10 feet. Monroe County, up to about 15 feet. What to expect? Today, gusty winds about 15 to 25 miles per hour. Seas start to build. We'll have some passing rain squalls. As we head into your Saturday, winds increase quickly. Tropical storm conditions. Rain squalls increasing. Very rough seas. Saturday night, the storm system is getting even closer. It makes landfall early Sunday morning. Tropical storm to hurricane conditions. Torrential rains picking up. Storm surge starts, and then Sunday is the day that we will be dealing with the worst of this storm system. Hurricane conditions, winds of 74 miles per hour or stronger, heavy rain, flooding potential, peak storm surge, and then by Monday, as the storm system pulls away, we'll still continue to see at least a chance of tropical storm force winds, and by Tuesday, all of this is over and done with.